You are standing in the new Mosaic Backyard Universe, which is an immersive learning environment that's been built specifically with ages 2 to 8 in mind. And we've created what we know is a familiar space to children and to adults, and that's the outside, your backyard or your park. And we are excited to be able to bring this to our region and community as a unique resource for learning. They'll be introduced to 2 turtles so far, big and little, are over in the pond. They'll watch them grow, learn how to take care of them. They'll be able to go into a cardboard rocket, and they'll be able to experience different videos that will take them into, say, a beehive or shoot to the moon. Different experiences there. They'll be able to work in the science shed, and they'll be able to do activities that could be the theme of the day or work with different curriculum with their schools.
The backpacks are something that we created so that families, when they come to the museum, they can have a new layer to their experience here. We have different topics that we've selected. There are 5 to begin with. You could be an astronomer, you could be a paleontologist, a geologist, an engineer, or a biologist. So when you come to the museum, you would be able to check out this backpack. It is free of charge, just included with general admission, and you can be that scientist for the day. If I wanted to be an astronomer, I could check this out, take a look at all the different activities that are included in the backpack. I could learn about the moon phases, what they are, their names. I could learn about the spacing of the planets. That is something that a lot of young kids aren't familiar with yet. But how close the rocky little planets are to the sun versus how far away some of the gas giants are. And we have pictures of all of the planets, and the guests would have to figure out exactly what goes where. We also have the planets themselves models that are in our night sky. So they'll be able to compare to the models and get not only the distance, the relative distance of them, but the size of them. So when you look at the models that are in the sky, you can really see how much larger Jupiter and Saturn are compared to planets like Earth and Venus.
All right. Well, first of all, what do you think of all this? You guys had the chance to bring all the kids today, and they got to explore a little bit in the backyard universe.
This has been absolutely wonderful. The kids have enjoyed every minute of it, exploring and trying new things. As I had said to someone earlier, a lot of the kids live in apartments and condominiums. They might not get this opportunity to come out and explore things that are right there in your own backyard. So we've thoroughly enjoyed this.
You know, when you think back to your childhood and you think about growing up and, you know, getting to play out in the backyard, what kind of memories do you recall?
I remember things like collecting bird feathers, collecting rocks, pretending to be a paleontologist and digging in sand and things. And I think that's something that these kids sometimes maybe don't have the time to do. So this is kind of a wonderful experience, and hopefully it will awaken their sense of curiosity that they can go into their own backyards and find some of the things that they're seeing here.
This is being built as a parent and child engagement space or an adult-child engagement space. So when a parent comes in, they're the leader, they're the guide. They'll be able to check out a backpack on astronomy or biology or paleontology and be able to work with their child to learn about those sciences. And this is about them working together to learn. So I think not only will the child be learning, but the adults are going to be learning as well.
Great.
What did you think?
Good.
What was your favorite part?
When we were little.
You like climbing up in trees and things? That's cool. Okay, what about you? What did you like?
I really like seeing the turtle over there.
The turtles?
I like to see the turtles too.
Yeah? What's your favorite Florida animal?
Kitties.
Cats? Okay. Hi.
Saber-toothed tiger.
Saber.
The Mosaic Backyard Universe is part of general admission. So when you pay for a ticket, just like our planetarium shows, you can see the manatees, you can see the special exhibit, the American Museum of Natural History exhibit, giants, dragons, and unicorns. You can see 5 planetarium shows, or you can come to the Mosaic Backyard Universe. It's all included, one price for the entire venue, and you can stay all day.